Hi, welcome to a tutorial on how we're going to replace all the individual WPS Symposium Pro plugins with the new single extensions plugin. So I'm on our demo website here, and just to show that at the moment we have the core plugin, WP Symposium Pro, but below it we have a long list of all of the separate plugins. I think there's about 27 at the moment, give or take. So these will all be replaced by a single plugin. And what we're going to do is highlight all of the plugins by clicking on the first, shift and clicking on the bottom one, which highlights or ticks all of those plugins. Notice that we're not including the core plugin. We leave that installed, and then we deactivate all of those plugins. By ticking them all, they all get deactivated at the same time. So they're now all deactivated, and now we can click at the top, shift and click at the bottom to highlight all of the additional plugins, again excluding the core, and then we can delete them. This doesn't delete any data at all, so only the code is removed. We confirm, yes, delete the files. So those plugins are all now deleted and we only have the core plugin. Now if I switch to wpsymposiumpro.com and go to my account, I'm subscribed to the Ultimate license, and here we see WPS Pro Ultimate and a zip file, a single zip file to download that contains all of the extensions, and as new extensions are added, they'll be automatically included. So I've downloaded the single zip file. If I have a look in my downloads folder, you can see there at the top is the zip file. So we're now going to go back to our demo site and upload that single zip file. So we go to Plugins, Add New, choose Upload, choose the file in our Downloads folder, and click Install Now. That uploads the plugin as a zip file and gives us a prompt to activate it, which we then do. And on the plugins page now we have the core plugin and a single extensions plugin. To activate all the individual extensions, we can go to WPS Pro menu and Setup, and there is an option on that page called Extensions at the top. If we click on the black bar to expand it, we then get a list of all of the extensions currently available. And as I say, as new extensions are added, they'll be automatically included on this list as you update that extensions plugin. So you don't need to download any more zip files from wpsymposiumpro.com. So I tick all the ones I want, in this case everything, apart from the migration tool, and click on Save Changes. I can now see that these are all ticked. A single page refresh is required before they appear on the menu, just the way that WordPress works. So after I've done that once, then on the menu down the left hand side are all of my additional menu items, and on the setup page here all of the extra options. So for example, if I click on alerts, it's there. Flipping back to the front of the site just to show that they have now installed and are activated, if I go to my profile page, then I have the Share Who To extension up and running. So that's how easy it is to replace all of the individual extension plugins with the new single extensions plugin. Thank you very much.